So today I want to do a quick makeup tutorial using my current favorites at the moment. I'll be doing this quickly because I am going to be on my way to, I believe, TJ Maxx to do a video for you guys. I have to see what's new in the makeup section. So if you're new, welcome. My name is Jenz BeautyStyle, and let's go ahead and get started. What I'm going to do is scrub my lips just because I want them to look nice, not dry. And for that I'm going to be using this Kismet Buff Sugar Scrub. This is so quick to do. I'm not gonna put a lot. So moisturizing, it's insane. I have just a tissue with me to clean it off really quick. Lips are looking more plumped. I'm gonna show you this moisturizer that I've been loving. Antioxidant priming moisturizer. This is lightweight and oil free. Is by the brand Pure Lease. I love that brand. I have reviewed several things from this brand, so I'm just gonna put some like that. Of course, I'm going to use some SPF because you have to. And I like to use is by Clinique. I used to use the one that was for the face only, but then I saw this one and I'm like, why am I not using this one? Get more for your money. And it's basically the same thing. They're all oil-free, non-acnegenic. It's just really good. I'm just going to put this all over my face. I don't know if you can tell, but I've been breaking out, and I rarely break out now, and it's because I've been eating pasta. Sauce has like mayo and stuff, and that destroys my face. Gotta chill out with the pasta. I'm not gonna use a primer because this is a primer as well, so it's like 2-in-1, moisturize and primer at the same time. I have to use Elf concealer because I'm obsessed with this stuff, and for the price it's so good. I use this in the color medium sand, but I would like to get another one that like it's more brightening, just the color that I picked. I like to use this to conceal under my eyes. I'm using this Real Techniques Mint Sponge, which if you watch my tutorials, you must be tired of me using this, but I'm obsessed with it. It's amazing. I use the Catrice HD Liquid Coverage Foundation. This is mattifying. It's like second skin. This is my second bottle. It's a brand new one. I am going to do an empties video and a bottle of this there. And I used this in the color light beige. I swear to you, it's like perfect match. Is like, if you ever want to know like what foundation color are you, this is the perfect match for me. Can't beat like how this looks in daylight, in pictures, everywhere. It just looks flawless, not cakey. We're gonna switch it up from my regular setting powder. I've been obsessed with a new one, believe it or not. This one from Hourglass. This is the Veil Translucent Setting Powder, and I got like a sample size of it. I was so happy. I love shopping at Sephora. You get like these promo codes and you can redeem makeup. And when I saw this, I was like, oh yes. I also got a Cover FX one. This is what I don't like about loose setting powders. I'm definitely more into the pressed because it's just so much work and it's so messy. Just try to put some there using this Elf brush, flat top kabuki, and I'm just gonna put this all over my face to set it. Since I use this, like every foundation, I look at myself and I'm like, wow, so good. I'm gonna do the brows, and I'm using my Anastasia Beverly Hills pomade. I don't know if I'll ever find something better than this, since I'm into pomades, not into like drawing the eyebrows or anything. I suck at it. The easiest for me. I'm just using the $1 billion brush with this spoolie. I'm just gonna brush them out a bit. This angled brush, I'm just gonna dip in and get these brows done. Now that the brows are done, I'm moving on to bronzer. I'm gonna be using this Too Faced. Look at the packaging, it's so cute. Too Faced Chocolate Soleil bronzer. Showed this in my tutorial. I did red lips. Blush, I could always go for my Tarte blushes because they're so long lasting, they don't break me out, and this is the one in the color Kirky. It's so pretty. This MAC blush brush. Tarte did come out with a set, like stacks of 3. I want to get that so badly. I think it's like highlighters, blushes, I don't remember what else. Amazing. It's like $30-something, so not bad. Eyes, I'll just prime them really quickly. I'm using this Anastasia new eye primer. You guys really love this palette. I have done like 2 different videos doing tutorials with this, so we'll use this again because I am Really loving this. This is the Morphe X Jeffree Star one. I'm thinking of getting the Conspiracy one that just came out. Let me know if you would want to see that. These are the colors. Beautiful. Let's start with this color here. I'm just gonna use that and mix it also with this one. I want to darken it up a bit, so I'm gonna be using this color here and blending it out really well. Use this color here called Hi Dude. Still using the same brush. I'm gonna put it like in the corner to deepen it up. And I'm bringing that color inward, but not too much, just like to the middle. Taking this color here, I Don't Know Her. Just gonna apply that in the center. I'm gonna take this color Rolls with it. I'm gonna apply that in inner corner here. And I'm just using the other side of this brush. Take that color Don't Know Her again and just blend those two colors together. I'm gonna add Don't Know Her with my finger too, because nothing makes it pop more than adding it with your finger or using a spray. Taking that color Lynn and really blending out this area here so it looks flawless. I'm gonna put a little bit this one here on the bottom lash. Same fluffy brush, the 224, and just blend that out. I like to do the inner that with this e.l.f. eye crease brush. For liner, I'm going to be using my e.l.f. liquid liner. You guys must know I die for this. I've reviewed so many different liners, and this is, I would still say, my number one. Before I apply my favorite falsies, I am going to curl the lashes and put on some mascara just so they blend out better together. And this is my baby, the Too Faced Better Than Sex Mascara in Waterproof. For bottom lashes, my Clinique Bottom Lash Mascara. Just put one coat of this mascara, but this is basically how it would look. I'm gonna use a gloss too that I got in my Ipsy bag, which is Collab with Betty Boop. Are my babies. I die for them. This is the Eylure Marquise Silk Effect lashes to die for. So many different styles, but I'm obsessed with this one, and I did review it on my channel to a quick tutorial. Using my favorite glue, and this is by Kiss. I always have problems like with this inner corner. Oh my god, annoying. Moving on, of course, can't forget the highlight. I'm using the one from ColourPop, is Lunch Money. I have reviewed this on my channel, comparing it to Flexitarian, because to me is one of the most beautiful shades. So I'm just putting that here. I'm going to put some in the Cupid's bow. Top it off with this lip gloss. There's a little bit of shimmer, not too much. This is the Betty Boop X Ipsy one. All the attention on the eyes because they're a bit much. It smells so good. So much for watching. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe if you're not, click the little notification bell, that way you will be the first to get notified every time I post a new video. Thanks for watching. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.